Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with an Abercrombie summer haul and I got some really cute stuff. So let's go ahead and try it on. Alright, so it's been a minute since I've bought like a decent sized amount of clothing from Abercrombie. But I pretty much love everything. I do have a couple of things that I'm like, I don't know. But let's jump in. Okay, so let's start with accessories. I actually bought both of these hats. I really meant to only buy one, so I think I'm keeping this one, but I'm debating still on this one. I love the little lobster. I'm sorry, are you kidding? I'm obsessed with anything that's like two-toned like this. Loving the colorway on this. This one has an oyster. This one says Nantucket and has a lobster, and this says Montauk. A little oyster. I've already worn this a bunch, but I'm debating if I need both. They're kind of similar enough that like I probably don't need both, but who's gonna stop me? Just kidding, probably me. But I think these are so cute. These are technically men's hats, but I love, and I think they just kind of make an outfit really cute. I love it. Okay, I got some little graphic striped tees. I realized I had a lot of like, or not a lot, I had more like longer sleeve options of different like stripes, sizes, colors, all of that, but I didn't have a ton of little ones. Now I will say the baby tee from Abercrombie is not typically my favorite. I prefer, what did I do with it? This style. This is the skimming tee, but anyway, I loved the colorway in this that I couldn't pass up. So I sized up to a medium, but I still feel like it's just one of those tighter fitting shirts, so keep that in mind. It's something that I probably should wear a regular bra with instead of a bralette. I don't know, it can look a little like frumpy. I don't know how to explain it, but I love the colorway in this. I love the piping around the neck that's in a different color as well as on the sleeves. These shirts are like my all-time favorite. I used to have a bunch back when I worked at Hollister. And then it has like the light blue stripes, the darker blue, and then the red. This is just the perfect summer tee. Again, I got this in a medium. It's so soft. I will say these don't stay as soft the more you wash them, but they still like hold up and look really cute. But I loved the colorway in this. I also loved the colorway in this. If you can tell, I'm into these stripes. I feel like stripes in the past used to just be like pink and white, but now they have so much more dimension to it. So you can see it's got like a teal color in it, a navy, a pink, and then this is cream, and then it's got the pink lined around the outside. Love this. Again, this is probably not the most flattering color on my skin tone, but I don't care. I'm obsessed. And the way this fits is perfection. I did get this in a medium as well, but it's boxier, and I like a boxier fit of a tee. Not like super oversized and boxy, but just something that doesn't hug this as much. There's a time and place. Though that honestly, that shirt would look great with overalls because it's tighter, you know? Anyway, so cute. Loved this paired with white shorts, denim, literally anything would be adorable. Okay, these are the shorts that I'm thinking maybe I get in a medium, but I loved them. They're a terry cloth feel, which is nicer because they're not as like hot as like a traditional sweatpant or sweat short. I love Abercrombie sweat shorts. They're some of my most favorite things in the entire world. But I thought this was really cute. It's kind of got like a nautical, like sailor type of print to it, and I really liked it. I think I just want the medium to hang a little bit more. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But I imagined wearing this like with this blue, with like any color linen button up. I thought this would be adorable. Just like a quick throw and go. Comfy short. I loved this top when I saw this. I feel like I used to own shirts like this all the time back when I was like in middle school, high school, whatever. Again, I would wear a real bra with this. I was wearing a bralette in the try-on, but this is like kind of a smocked tank, and I liked how it has a little bit of a kick flare down at the bottom. I thought this was really cute with like a looser bottom. This is typically something I would have worn, like I would have gone like back in the 2000s, I would have done like tight on tight, but now I'm into like a looser jean, or like a looser like those green pants I tried on with it. Thought it was super cute. I also thought it would look good with the skirt, but I thought this was fun, different, but really cute. And I got this in a size small. It's very, very thick though, I will say, but I thought it was adorable and could be worn a million different ways. Next up is this skirt. Okay, I'm not typically a skirt or dress girl. Like I am, but I'm not, I just don't see the versatility in them as much. So I wanted to prove to myself that I could style this a couple different ways. So I tried it on with, I think 3 different tops 4, but the 4 was just not good. But this is a cool skirt because you can kind of wear it really any which way, like mid-rise, low-rise, high-rise. And I loved the pattern of this. And I loved the flow and like feel to it. Let me know though, do you think this is something that like is good? I think it's great, but I'm like debating if it's just something that like I get a high from just trying it on once. I'm like that. I am so much a sucker like that. Like the first time I try something, I'm like, yes, I'm keeping it. I never try it on again. And then I'm like, why did I keep that? Do you know what I'm talking about? I know you know what I'm talking about. So I need to style this a couple more ways, but I do think it's adorable. I just want to make sure that it's worth the money. Okay, next up is a dress. Okay, I have been wearing my linen dresses from Quince to the ground. Like, love them, so good. I saw this one. This one was on their site last year and I said, and they didn't have my size. I said, if that ever comes back, I am buying it. I love it. Well, it came back, okay? And now I'm like, I love it. But is it, okay, so here's my deal. I've realized that I never was a dress girl. So I need to get into dresses more. I like plain dresses so I can like jazz them up with accessories and I don't just feel like wearing the dress once is the dress, the outfit is the dress, so therefore you can't like, it's not versatile. Do you know what I mean? I know some people love that for what it is. Like a patterned, colorful dress is like, put it on, you're good to go. Me, I'm the opposite. I wanna layer, I wanna accessorize, I wanna do fun stuff with it. So with this being already kind of like the dress is the outfit, like is it worth it? I love this so much. I love the linen detailing of, is this 100% linen? I am actually curious. It feels like it is. So it's a linen blend. It feels like linen. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. I love the neckline and the embroidery of this. I just think it's so feminine and absolutely adorable. This is all embroidered on, it's stunning. The straps are adjustable in the back here. You can raise them or lower them. It was perfect the way it was. I do not have to wear a bra with this. It is so pretty. Okay, tell me I need this. And I felt like the shape was really nice. I got this in I think just a regular, regular small. Let me know, do I need this? I think I need this. I mean, I love it. I'm just like, are you gonna wear it enough? But who cares, because like, this is such a gorgeous dress that I could wear this like all the time. I don't know, am I talking myself into this? I don't know. I love it though, you guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I just thought this was super cute. And I did tell myself if it came back in stock, I would get it. And it came back in stock and I was still thinking about it, still loved it. So I feel like it's a sign I love it. So this is the last item that I got. And I just thought this fit and flare was perfection. So that's everything that I got from Abercrombie. Nothing crazy, not a huge haul by any means. I think I'm gonna exchange those shorts for a medium. I think I want to just play around with the fit a little bit more. I want something very comfy, and then like think like throw on over a swimsuit type of thing, because it's a terry colored or terry textured short. So I thought perfect swim short thing. And then the skirt. Is the skirt worth keeping? Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you all for watching. I'll have all the details in the description box as well as on the YouTube shop button, whichever one you prefer. I do have a larger sort of collective haul coming soon of like a bunch of different stores, but I felt like this one was complete and I'm still waiting on a couple from other ones. So it's all over here. It's coming. It's very collective. We've got a little bit of everything, but I wanted to share with you what I found at Abercrombie, because honestly, I was surprised that I found something enough things that I was like, yes, I'm gonna place this order, because there's so much cute stuff. So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye.